Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I have a DIY designer box to unbox today. DIY designer box is a box of designer items that comes from ThredUp, and it's usually an item that either it didn't sell, they couldn't sell it, or it might be damaged. And then I open them on my channel and I sell what I can here, and if I don't sell, I sell it for probably about 40% less than I would sell it elsewhere. And if I don't sell it here, I either put it on my eBay store or I send it in to the RealReal. So I almost hit the top tier at the RealReal last year, but I didn't quite make it. So this year, this 2026, I'm gonna try for that. So anyway, I hope everyone's having a great holiday season and that Thanksgiving was good. One super cool piece of news I got, by the way, is I was approved to be a pre-loved partner on eBay, which basically means they look at your service level. You have to take returns, and I take free returns actually, and they carry some of the brands people like, that kind of thing. And so anyway, I applied to be a pre-loved partner, and they told me about a couple weeks ago, but it took a couple weeks for the badge to start appearing. But it is appearing in my listings now on my used clothing. It appears on. So I'm super excited. I think I get a little bump in the algorithm too, because I can already see a difference in the number of views on my items. It's so exciting. Anyway, back to the DIY item. I don't have anything remarkable on today. I think I've worn this on video before. I do love this. It's Pilcrow brand, Pilcrow's my favorite brand ever. I love it. All right. Anyway, now let's get to the DIY designer. Here's the box. It's a little heavy. And it's a little squashed. Look at that. I don't know how these things happen. I don't know if they use it as a seat on the UPS or the FedEx truck or what. Anyway, we are going to open this guy up. I'm super excited to open the designer box lately. Even just today, I was watching, who was I watching open? It was Pat Garza. I was watching open her designer DIY box. And everything she got was amazing. Every single item was just fantastic. That's how the last few of mine have been, and that's how the ones I've seen various other people open have been like that too. So very, very cool. They're not cheap. They're 140 plus tax and shipping. So anyway, for me it comes to 150, so it's about $22 per item. All right, the first item I'm gonna pull out of here is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is a Burberry Brit. It's like a knit cloth material, and it's like a knit cloth biker jacket. Oh my gosh, it's a size medium, which is a great size. I'm gonna undo, let's see, I'm trying to figure out why this is so, oh no, maybe it's okay. So this is a size medium. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put it on a mannequin so you can get a full view of it. Gosh, this is gorgeous, so gorgeous. It looks really kind of small though for a medium. Oh, there's a couple of stains, but they're really small, but I hope that's all that's wrong. I wonder if I can get that out. Yeah, I can get that out. That'll come out. The back has some, I'm gonna clean it and see what happens. But that is a great first start. A biker moto jacket from Burberry. And I don't see anything gaping wrong with it. But again, I will put it, let's see if the zipper works. I'll put it on the mannequin and see, but I know someone's going to buy that from this channel unless I find anything detailed more wrong with it. Oh, it's kind of like, it's got those same marks on the inside, but those will come out. All I need to do is wash it. So, yay! So happy with that. All right, next up is, what do we have here? Oh, I see something leather. Yay, I hope it's something good. Yves Saint Laurent Rive Gauche. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's made in France. It's linen. It appears to be, oh my god. Oh! It appears to be vintage. Here's the label. There's the label. I didn't show you the label on the Burberry one. I will after this. It's a size 38, which I think is about a size 4. I think it's about a 4. It might be a little bit bigger. Actually, it looks a little bit bigger than a 4. But it's black linen. It's buttons up the front. Are those real buttons? Yes. Oh, it's in really good condition. It's got a little pocket here in the front. The way it's kind of structured here, it does feel like somebody got it dry cleaned, and there's just a little bit of sizing on it, that spray they put on it. So, oh, this is just, I mean, I'm gonna have to try that on. Let's just see. I think that's too small for me. What a bummer. Oh, it's so, so cute. Here's the back. I don't see anything wrong with it. Let's see, make sure that the buttons all seem okay. Oh, maybe it was altered a little bit. I think it was altered. Yeah, that's what's wrong with it. It's altered, but so it's like probably 3 inches shorter than it was. I mean, is it a cropped style? No, it's not. It's just a shorter length. It was just a little too long for someone, I think. So I'll put the measurements out there, but it's gorgeous. It's Yves Saint Laurent, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't know where to go next. I'm so excited. All right, here is a sweater by Brunello Cucinelli. Cucinelli. I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's like a cropped sweater, and it is cashmere, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a burgundy color. I keep thinking I'm going to see a hole in here, but I don't yet. I do not see one. Here is the front, and then here is the tag, and then here's the back. It's long sleeve. It's got a little bit of a V-neck. Well, no, it's not a V-neck. It's here. The neck is like this, so it's like a little bit of a scoop. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it that I can see. It's got no smells. I don't see any holes. There's a tiny, like 2 or 3 pills. I don't see a lot of them. What size is it? That's the big question. Let us see. I don't know this brand, by the way. I've never sold it. It's a size small, or is it a medium? The tag is really faded. I can't tell what size it is, but it looks like, I mean, it's short, so I think it's supposed to be that short, but yeah. If you like things a little bit longer, you don't want to be getting this thing. So, that's gorgeous. I'll put on the mannequin as usual and see. Oh, I was going to show you the tag for the Burberry jacket. I did not show you that tag. All right, here is the tag for this Burberry Brit biker moto jacket. But keep in mind, it's not leather. It's like knit material. It's really soft though. Okay, that was 3 items. And they're really good so far. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's never a bad thing when you get a nice jacket and a moto jacket. Moto jackets are, I love moto jackets. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at this. This is Dolce and Gabbana. Oh my heavens. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Dolce and Gabbana. Oh my gosh. It's like kind of it's a sweater you'd probably put over something else. There's a little bit of like, there's some of the threads are pulling, but that's over on the side, and they're a little kind of, well, yeah, there's several of the threads that have been pulled, but it's not real evident. Like if you're wearing it, I don't think anybody would notice. But here, you can kind of see the threads are pulling here and here. You can kind of see, but it's nothing, like I said, it's nothing terrible. It feels vintage, first of all. It's a size, it's a 46. I think that's about a 12. Yeah, that's about a 12. Oh my gosh, I'm trying this thing on. I don't know what I'd wear under it. It does look kind of like it runs small, but what is the material is the big question. What is the material? Here we go, does it say? Yeah, this is definitely vintage. Look at this tag. Oh, it's just gorgeous though. It says Dolce & Gabbana, 22%. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do a little research. But this is gorgeous. Let me just see if, oh yeah, it buttons at the neck and the button looks fine. This is gorgeous. I cannot tell you, it's got like this little silver thread in there. That's a great find. It's not perfect, but okay, there's a purse in here. Yay! All right, now we've got a Max Mara Ooh, dress. Oh my gosh, look at this. Feels like silk. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's the tag. Wait, I'm going to show you a little bit better. Max Mara dress. And then here is the front. And it feels like a midi or a long dress. Let me just see here. Yeah, maybe that's maybe it's ankle length. Here's the back. It's a thinner material. I don't know if it's really sheer or not. You can kind of see my hand through it, but oh, there's a stain on it. That's what's wrong with this. I'm gonna soak it though. I'm gonna soak it and see what happens. There's the stain. Down at the bottom is where the stain is. And there's another tiny little stain you can hardly see. Right there. Right there. So there are some stains on it. That's what is looking like, at least. Let me just see if I can find the other tag. There's usually two tags. One says, oh here, oh it's ripped out. So I'm gonna have to give measurements. The tag has been ripped out. I'm gonna guess it's about a size 2, maybe a 4, but I'll get some measurements for you. And then I'm gonna soak it and see what I can do. Max Mara is a great brand name. Okay, I've got, what do we have? I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. 2 left. What's this? Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yves Saint Laurent. Oh my, it's a wool sweater, a scarf, scarf. It does have some holes in it, but OMG. Okay, here it is. There's the name. And you know, there's this hole, right here, there's a little hole. And there's some little nicks in it throughout, like right here. It's not really a full hole, but you can see it. Yeah, there's some small, like, nicks in it, but here is the tag, by the way. And there's the other side of it. I don't know if you can really see that, but it says, made in Germany. It's 100% wool. It's a wool scarf by Yves Saint Laurent. I can't. That is gorgeous. It does have some holes. I don't know what brand this is, but it's gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I'm scared to look. What is that? Oh, it's Marc Jacobs. Ooh, Marc Jacobs has some gorgeous leather. Look at this bag. And I don't see, there's some light scratching if you kind of look. And then, I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's see, got the zippers work. It's like this, the interior is an absolutely beautiful suede. It's not dirty either. I mean, there's like a very light wear. There's a couple of marks on there. But okay, there's the inside. You can kind of see when I put it back like that. It's a beautiful suede. Oh my gosh. I don't know why this is in here. The kind of give you a full look. There's the double handles. It's kind of like, it's a deep purse. And then it's got all of the bottom feet are there. There's the other side. So Marc Jacobs makes amazing purses. I don't know why this is in here. I really can't tell. It is in such, I mean, if you look right here, this has, you know, suede does tend to, it's harder to clean. And it's a little bit dirty on this suede on the top of the pocket. But that's all I can find that it would be. I don't see anything else. I don't see anything else wrong with this. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I love every single item I got in this box. Wow. Okay, so we've got this beautiful Marc Jacobs bag. I'm going to have to research that one. I'm not sure what that one's worth. We've got the beautiful Yves Saint Laurent vintage. Most of my stuff in here is vintage. Vintage scarf. We've got the, I think it's a smaller size of this Max Mara dress. It feels like silk. This beautiful Dolce and Gabbana sweater kind of thing that I'm going to be trying on. And let's see. The Burberry Brit Moto jacket, size medium. Someone's going to be buying that. I just know it. There's no way that's going to make it to the Real or eBay. I think. That's my prediction. Brunello Cucinelli. This cashmere sweater. And last but not least, this absolutely gorgeous Yves Saint Laurent shirt that has been altered a little bit. It's a linen shirt. Wow. I cannot believe how it was really good. I'm loving it. And the purse is just, I don't know if I'll be able to sell it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of my box down below. And have a wonderful weekend and have a great day.